Hello, hello, and welcome back. Or if you're here for the first time, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel for lots of diamond painting content. Today I have an unboxing for you. This is a new to me company. This is Crafty. They are out of the UK. I will link them down below. And they have licensed Disney. Some small things. They have some Ann Stokes I got. Just lots of different popular, fun stuff. So let's go ahead and get into this. Ooh. As I bump my camera. Just a second, guys. There we go. All right. Look at this fun. All right, so this is a notebook. The art is Lunar Wolf, and I believe it's by Ann Stokes. So here we've got our notebook. It's covered in our plastic sheet. It's lined paper. It's got a little bookmark. We've got a kit contents sheet and instructions in multiple languages. We have our key for our colors. Here we have our drills. And we've got some special drills like this oversized oval and this little snowflake drill. And then a basic kit with a pen, a tray, a wax, and some baggies. This one is a card. It's a card kit. Oh, this one might be the Ann Stokes collection. So the wolf might... Oh, yep, it also was. They both had that. Huh, I missed it. So right here, Ann Stokes collection, it tells you. And if you just kind of open this one up. So here's like other kits you can get. So here's the card. We just kind of flip it. We have our drills, our basic kit, and I think probably that instruction sheet again. So super nice packaging. Here, this is a framables kit. This is Giraffe and Friends. Super friendly, ages 6 and up. So this one a kid could do. It's a partial crystal, so we're not going to do the background, that pink background. So here we have our canvas. It actually comes with that pink frame. So here we can see our drill field area, but like this right here is not sticky. Here we have our drills. We have that instruction sheet again. Or like our color code key. Super neat. And our kit. And then, like I said, they had Disney. I couldn't resist. These are Christmas cards. Partial crystal again, 3 cards, this cute little Mickey and Minnie, a Pooh and Eeyore, and the Bambi, and I loved the color of that card. I'm not going to open this one up, but we can see right here it has the cards, the envelopes, the crystals, the pen, the wax, the tray. I'm sure it also has the color code key. let's see. Let's get into... right here maybe. There we go. Oh. So this one again does come in that kind of box. It just was a box inside of a box. And these are Pixar Christmas ornaments. Oop, I think I'm opening upside down. Let's flip. There we go. We have our instructions and our contents, our key. These are two-sided, which is so neat. So they're like this acrylic filling glittered, and then we just have that in the middle. And so there, and it's two sides. So we've got Woody, Buzz, Sully, Mike, Alien, and Lightning McQueen. So fun. I asked my son, I was like, are you going to do these with me? He's like, yeah. So that's going to be like a little, that'll be a fun little family diamond painting project. Super cute. And I guess I got two of those. So I did not remember getting two of those, but I guess I did. So maybe one of those will make a fun gift. Oop, and that one's kind of undone and stuff. All right. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I am planning on trying a lot of new companies in the new year. I will do post reviews on those. I do whip and chats. I do unboxings. So if you liked what you saw today and would like to join me again, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And of course, leaving a comment. I'd love for you to say hello. Have a wonderful week. Thanks. Until next time, guys. Bye.